We are going to explore the find function in Python. It helps you to locate the position of a substring within a string. Let's check it out. The find function searches for a substring in a string and returns the index of its first occurrence. So if I want to find the index of Python here in this string, I can write s dot find, and we can check it takes three parameters, that is substring, start and end parameters, which are optional. So if I want to find the occurrence of Python, if I run this, I get it as 0, which defines Python is present at the 0th index. But what happens if the substring is not found? So if I change this Python to Python s, suppose, and run this, I will get answer as -1. So it means if the substring is not found, the find will return -1, letting you know that it is not present in the string.